because people-to-people relations, that's actually the solid foundation. And Chinese President Xi himself attaches this personally attach high importance to that. And also in President Xi's mind that people should always be placed, should be put in at the top place. And of course, I think Namibian leaders they also care very much the welfare of the people. I think that's a common point between us. So this year of people-to-people exchanges, I think it's not just symbolic; it's also substantial. As you can see, there will be very rich activities. We will host, and some of the activities, of course, we will host with various African countries, the governments. So to implement this program of the year of people-to-people exchanges, we, in due time, I think we will also approach various government ministries and agencies here.